How to add numbers in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, I am using this Google spreadsheet instead of Microsoft Excel, but the process will be just the same. So there are more than one method of adding the numbers in Excel. So let me show you using several examples. So here are two numbers, and if you want to add it first, what you can do is simply select these two, and then here you will find the option of sum. Select sum, and here you go, your sum will appear over here. Next, what you can also do is select equal to, and then select this cell, and then plus, select another cell, and hit enter. You will get your sum. So that's it. Next, what you can also do is use a different formula, that is equal to, and then select sum, and then add the value, add comma, add another value, and close the bracket, hit enter, and you will get the sum like this as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll get you in the next one.